Imagine a future where Bitcoin hits $1 million. Is it possible, or just another pipe dream? With all the buzz around Bitcoin's future, crypto enthusiasts like Saylor, Cathie Wood, and even the CEO of Binance are talking about Bitcoin's potential to skyrocket. But what does it actually take to reach that milestone, and what role does the broader crypto ecosystem play in this journey? Today, we're diving deep into the world of crypto predictions, institutional adoption, and how platforms like Binance are shaping the future of this rapidly evolving space. Welcome to Wall Street Mindset, where we unravel the complexities of finance, crypto, and investment. The state of crypto today. The crypto market has seen a roller coaster ride over the past few years, from Bitcoin breaking records to regulatory crackdowns and a flood of new institutional investors. But let's pause for a moment. When we think about the possibility of Bitcoin reaching $1 million, it's essential to look at the broader context, the building blocks that make such growth feasible. Platforms like Binance are at the heart of this growth. They're not just crypto exchanges. They're innovation hubs, always evolving to meet the needs of a diverse user base, from high-tier VIPs to casual retail traders. And this constant innovation is driven by one thing: user feedback. The future of crypto is not just about wild price predictions, it's about adapting, innovating, and meeting the needs of users across the globe. The Binance blueprint for growth. Let's talk about the roadmap Binance is following. While Bitcoin enthusiasts speculate on price, Binance is laser-focused on building infrastructure, ensuring that, regardless of where Bitcoin lands, users have access to cutting-edge products. In regions where crypto is used primarily for payments, Binance Pay has processed over $137 billion in transactions since 2021. And for those focused on trading, derivatives and earned products have become increasingly popular. The vision is clear: continue evolving based on what users need, whether that's more payment options or sophisticated trading features. And this approach has kept Binance ahead of the curve, allowing them to shape the ecosystem in ways that make Bitcoin's price growth seem more than just a possibility. It becomes a natural progression as adoption grows. The halving and institutional adoption. But what about the broader ecosystem? What factors are driving this optimism around Bitcoin's price? One major piece of the puzzle is Bitcoin's halving cycle. Every 4 years, the reward for mining Bitcoin gets cut in half, reducing the supply and traditionally sparking price rallies. Historically, we've seen Bitcoin surge 6 to 12 months after each halving, and many believe the next one will be no different. Another critical factor is institutional adoption. Up until recently, crypto was predominantly embraced by retail investors, people like you and me. But now, we're seeing a shift. Institutions are finally getting on board, bringing with them a different kind of liquidity and long-term investment strategy. ETF approvals, funds raised by VCs, and investments into various sectors of the crypto value chain are signs that the tides are turning. This institutional interest is a significant reason why experts believe Bitcoin could eventually surpass $100,000, and maybe even hit that coveted $1 million mark. More importantly, it's not just speculative buying, it's about developing a framework that recognizes crypto as an asset class of the future, on par with AI in shaping tomorrow's financial infrastructure. A new chapter for crypto. Of course, none of this growth would be sustainable without regulation. Binance has been proactive in working closely with governments, regulators, and even law enforcement agencies to create a compliant, transparent ecosystem. There's a common misconception that crypto is synonymous with money laundering and financial crime, but in reality, the data shows that crypto-related crime is a tiny fraction compared to what happens in the fiat world. As regulators get more comfortable with the idea of crypto, we're seeing clearer frameworks that balance innovation with risk mitigation. This clarity will be crucial in building trust and confidence among new users, both retail and institutional. So, will Bitcoin hit $1 million? No one can predict the future with certainty, but with platforms like Binance leading the way, institutional money pouring in, and regulatory clarity on the horizon, the groundwork is certainly being laid for something monumental. The crypto ecosystem is still in its early days, and with each innovation, the foundation for long-term growth becomes stronger. Whether Bitcoin reaches $1 million or not, the focus remains on building a robust, user-centered infrastructure that ensures crypto's future is bright. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.